Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jaime Cuellar, and I'm a teacher on special assignment at Chemawa Middle School and Longfellow Elementary. Today I want to talk to you about how to use the Core 5 Resources Hub in Lexia. Let's get started. Within the Core 5 Resources Hub is a different section. They have a variety of different activities for you to use. One of those sections that I really like is the Digital Lexia Skill Builder section, and also the lessons that are provided with slide decks. The cool thing is that you can deliver these in a distance learning format. These skill builders already have built-in grayed out boxes or ovals or squares that you can have students manipulate to move into the corresponding sections or add text. You don't have to go in and add any boxes or load them onto Kami, for example, to have students add or respond to the activity. They're all already pre-built, which is nice. If I click on the Resources tab, I do have the section that gives me the Lexia lessons, the skill builders, and the connections available for you within the Core 5 program, and then the Power Up program presents these elements as well on the right-hand side. I'm going to go back over to the reading section, and I'm going to default, as always, to my class table. And then I'm going to come on over to this last section here that I do want to mention that is pretty important. If I click on this Core 5 Resources Hub, it's going to open a new tab. And in this new tab is where you will be able to access some of those slide decks and also some of those digital lessons that you can present in a distance learning format. If I click here in the Support for Instruction tab, you'll note that all of the digital Lexia skill builders are here on the left. And the slide decks for many of the Lexia lessons are here on the right. If you do decide to open these, just remember that they are slide decks that you will be prompted to make a copy. If I come over here and I find a lesson that I want in a level, I'll click in this section and find a lesson that I want. Once I have selected the lesson, I'll click Open. And then I can very easily make a copy. So you'll note that once this is open, you do have the opportunity for kids to fill in, basically. These are the Lexia skill builders where you can very easily just have kids fill in the blanks. They're already there for you and kids can type in there. Okay, so that's one thing. And then a lot of times they do have these ovals off to the left where kids can very easily manipulate and move these over. And all of these Lexia skill builders have these components already added, so you don't have to add these. Very easily, just add them to your Google Classroom, make a copy for each student, and then students can access these and work with you as you teach it, if you will. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.